Hey guys, this is Springboy1227. Welcome back to another video. There's like fog out here right now. I don't know if y'all can see. There's like a little bit of fog going on. Yeah. There's like fog going on. And that's kind of weird because it's like, it's not the morning. It's like it's starting to get dark and stuff outside kind of. So for there to be fog, it's like, it's kind of cold out here too. And it smells weird out here, like. Yeah. Sorry guys, I've had a long day. I'm just tired. Yeah, look at that fog. I don't know if y'all can like really tell on camera, but like I can see it better with my eyes than on the camera. Like it's completely fogged. I might be like in it or something right now. Guys, there's just a truck out there. But yeah, guys, there's literally just a truck sitting out there. That's kind of weird. It's just, I don't know who that would be. Oh yeah, and there's hay bales out here again. I can't tell if there's anyone over there. Just looks abandoned or something. Hope it's not another stalker. Past. Yeah, this fog is crazy. Uh, I don't know. That's weird. But yeah, I've really been wanting to get a video out for you guys, but I can't wait till this weekend when I can get the series out and stuff. So yeah. Hey, chance. I'm real sorry, guys. I'm like so tired. I've had school and stuff, so I'm just like drained. My energy. I'm just really tired. Yeah, like I said, Spring Boy last summer series final. Look out for hopefully a new series this weekend for the Haunted series and all that. I'm probably even just a whole video, different video. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do all that this weekend, and yeah. So yeah. I think I'm gonna end it off here, guys. Uh. I kind of wanted to film this fog because the same thing kind of happened. I think it was like last year or something. Like the same thing happened. There was like a lot of fog out here at night. Me and Luke made like a video on it, and yeah. So I just wanted to like film it again. It was kind of weird. Like that truck over there, and it's like in the middle of like there's not like a house over there. So I don't know what's up with that. Maybe if it's out there again tomorrow or something, I'll like film it again. But yeah. Yeah, if it's out there again tomorrow, I guess I'll film it again. It's weird. Okay, guys. God bless you all. Don't forget to keep it springy. Peace, guys. Love you all. And yeah. Don't let anyone stalk you.